Amazing grace.
Hi beautiful and amazing people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amito Mitra and I am speaking right from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. I hope you guys are doing great and I hope that God is protecting all of you. For those of you watching me for the very first time, kindly be a part of this very beautiful, humble and amazing family by subscribing to my channel, and also make it a point to like this video and all other videos that you'll come across on this channel. In today's video, I want us to learn something that so many of us might not be knowing about, and that is something I'm going to do practically today. I am just hoping that YouTube doesn't flag my video. YouTube, if you are watching my video, kindly don't flag it, because we need to know these things. So I'm going for a vajesho. I'm thinking that whoever is watching this video is 18 years old and above. If you are below 18 years, kindly go and do your homework. Make sure that you are done with all your assignments. School is about to open, you guys. I want you to be serious with your life. A vajesho is a facial, more of a facial for your vagina, and it's also done for men. And on that other side is called a penasho. It's facial for your penis, okay? What I'm going to do today is I am going to do two things. I'm going to do a waxing, a bikini waxing, and also a vajesho, because vajeshos need to be done after you have waxed. Sincerely, I'm not a specialist in this, so allow me take you to where the magic is going to happen. But just for you guys to know that it's a very beautiful thing to do. There's a way it makes your private parts look so nice, soft, and healthy. So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
This is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotionally sound since I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. I won't be surprised if I'm the last one now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. Slip somehow. So this is 27. Start the music, kill the silence. Let my mind rest. Pour a drink cause it's effective. Can't seem to get my head around why I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. You know I don't lie, I really miss you now.
So guys, I'm here. I'm about to be worked on, as you can see. At this point, you'll be told to totally undress and wear this maternity-like gown. And then you'll also have to wipe your body, all the parts that you feel need to be wiped. Yes, so I did the wiping, some of it on camera and the rest of it was off camera. So at this point you are getting ready for the waxing and the vajesho. So you guys, I can't wait for this very wonderful experience. I think you can see all my clothes there. I had to put them on a hanger. They're going to pick them and take them somewhere safe. So yeah, guys.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna
I'm definitely not going to show you my V area, but this here is exactly what happens down there. So I'm going to leave this whole video for you guys to watch and know process by process what exactly you are to expect when you go for a vajesho, and I will get back to you guys later. Enjoy.
Ella le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah, con unos traguitos de Fernet, se le da toda la timidez, pasarlo no solo tal vez. A ella le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah, con unos traguitos de Fernet, se le da toda la timidez, pasarlo no solo tal vez. Ella en mi casa, ya, perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella en mi gata, yeah, ella en mi casa, ya, ella en mi casa, ya, perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella en mi gata, yeah, ella en mi casa, ya. En fiesta es que no pierde ni una, es de aquí, pero parece de cuna. Pero así no le piche a ninguna, criminal como nada para Dios. Ella sabe que de la disco no la van a quitar. Los fines de semana son tan sueltos, hay que vacilar. Ready, con ropita cortita para janguear y tirar. De mí se deja llevar, combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú, ya. Combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú. Ella en mi gata, ya, perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella en mi gata, yeah, ella en mi gata, ya, ella en mi gata, ya, perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella en mi gata, yeah, ella en mi gata, ya.
Un traguito de Fernet pa' la gata en la barra. Te vi por internet en una playa en Nicaragua. Ese buffet sí está gourmet, pero lleno de piraña. El río está movido, que está nada las arañas. Por eso que tú te acercas a mí. Me gusta mi actitud, como te hago reír. Me encanta cómo besas, cómo me haces sentir. Eres especial, eres sola.
Guys, I am finally out. So guys, comment down below and tell me if you have had a vajesho before, or a penasho, or bikini waxing. Tell us your experience. How was it for you? Was it painful? Was it smooth? Was it fun? Just comment down below and tell us your experience. And then for all those who want to join the league, be encouraged, because this is a very beautiful thing. I'm sure we all want our yonis to be very smooth, to be beautiful, just like you see how babies be. Yeah, that's how you become. Otherwise, I'm talking too much. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate your support. May God bless you and bless you abundantly, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Since we lay down to reflect upon it all, it's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark. Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to try. And even now, when we are old, stay in my heart, 'cause I wouldn't know how to move on. That even now, when time has passed,